wants to apologize about the this and that and the other thing. You know something? How sorry are you really? I mean, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. You say it so much, it means nothing. Not a damn thing. Every time I turn around, oh, you bump into somebody, I'm sorry. Somebody can't do something they want, oh, I'm sorry. You're sorry, you're sorry. Screw you. You know, I'm walking down the street, I cut somebody off. Oh, am I sorry? You're not sorry about a damn thing, you know. Not one thing. How can you be sorry? Do I look sorry to you? I'm not sorry at all, and most people aren't. What is wrong with you? You people need help. You think you're sorry for something. Do you have a guilt complex? You know, we all want to right their wrongs. You know, every time somebody's offended, they want to say they're sorry. You're sorry about this. You're sorry about that. Everybody's sorry about something. You're the sorry son of a bitch is what you are. Don't be sorry. Keep it from happening in the first place. I'm not sorry. Do I look like I'm sorry? Do I look like I'm sorry to you? 9, 9, 9. How can we be sorry about things we didn't do? If you walk in an amusement park and someone wants to go on a slide and breaks the rules, you say, oh, I'm sorry, sir. I can't allow this. Sorry. Give me a fucking break. People want to be offended so they can hear, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You are not sorry. Do you think I should be sorry? 9. I am not sorry. He's not sorry. He's not sorry. The voices in my head are not sorry. We are not sorry. Am I sorry? No. You're not sorry? No. I take offense to this. So, in the future, don't be sorry. Keep it from happening in your first place. You'll find that life will be much better. Yeah, why do you feel so offended? Why do people get offended about everything? I'm sorry. I cut a man off. I kick a baby down the step. I eat your guinea pig. Do I seem sorry about that? I was hungry. I wanted pork. If I eat your parakeets and your babies, maybe I was sick of eating vegetables. Am I sorry for that? Do you feel sorry? You wish you never let them out for me to eat. So remember, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. Everybody wants to complain about something. It's a guilt complex. Are you paranoid? Do you need the help? Do you need the help? Do you need the help? 9. You do not need the help. You need not to be sorry. Don't have a guilt complex. Look at me. I don't have a guilt complex. I'm sorry. This video is over. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. My first name is not sorry. It is Howard. Howard P. Von Tiggy. And don't you forget it. Because if you do, you'll be sorry.